Hello friends, ever feel like your nose is a strawberry dotted with blackheads instead of seeds? Today, we're diving into the delightful world of blackheads, those tiny uninvited guests who love to set up camp on your face. Don't worry, are you ready to tackle those pesky blackheads and make your skin as smooth as a grape surface? Today, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of blackheads, what causes them, and how you can naturally send them packing. So grab your favorite face mask and let's get started. First things first, what exactly are blackheads? Imagine your pores are tiny party venues on your face. Sometimes they get clogged with oil, dead skin cells, and other gunk, turning into the most uninvited guest at the party, blackheads. These little black dots are essentially open pores that have been invaded by dirt and oil, which then oxidize and turn black. Yuck, right? But don't worry, we're about to become the bouncers at this skin party and kick those blackheads out. But before we do, let's understand why they crash our skin in the first place. Alright, let's talk causes. First up, we have excess oil production. Your skin produces oil to stay healthy, but sometimes it goes into overdrive, like an enthusiastic DJ at a party who just won't stop spinning tracks. This excess oil can mix with dead skin cells and clog your pores. Next, we have hormones. Yes, those pesky little things that gave you teenage angst also ramp up oil production. That's why blackheads are common during puberty, pregnancy, and menstrual cycles. Then there's poor skincare habits. Not washing your face regularly or using products that aren't suitable for your skin type can also lead to blackheads. It's like inviting a raccoon into your kitchen, you don't clean up properly, and soon you've got a mess on your hands. Lastly, environmental factors like pollution and humidity can also contribute. It's like your skin's version of bad weather ruining a picnic. Now that we figured out why these unwanted guests show up, let's talk about how to get rid of them naturally. You don't need to shell out big bucks for fancy treatments. Nature has got your back with some fantastic, quirky remedies. First up, let's talk about a classic, baking soda. Yep, that stuff sitting in your pantry isn't just for baking cookies. Mix a teaspoon of baking soda with water to form a paste and gently scrub your face. It helps to exfoliate the skin and remove those pesky dead skin cells. It's like using a gentle sandpaper to smooth out rough edges. Do this once a week and your blackheads will start packing their bags. Honey is another superhero in the battle against blackheads. Its antibacterial properties help keep your skin clean, and its stickiness helps pull out dirt from the pores. Apply a thin layer of raw honey to your face and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Rinse off with warm water, and your skin will feel soft and rejuvenated, like a baby's bottom, minus the diaper rash. And now, let's not forget our old friend lemon juice. The citric acid in lemon juice acts as an astringent, helping to tighten pores and remove impurities. Mix lemon juice with a bit of honey or yogurt for added benefits, apply it to your face and leave it on for about 10-15 minutes. Rinse with warm water and you'll notice a brighter, clearer complexion. Just be careful if you have sensitive skin, as lemon juice can be quite potent. Finally, we've got the humble egg white mask. It's like nature's own pore strip. Whisk an egg white until it's frothy and apply a thin layer to your face. Let it dry and then add another layer. After a few layers, your face will feel tight and slightly ridiculous. Once it's completely dry, peel it off and voila, blackheads stick to the mask and come off with it. It's like peeling off a sticker but way more satisfying. So, to recap our blackhead busting adventure, we've got baking soda scrubs, honey facials, lemon juice astringents, and egg white masks. Each of these natural remedies can help you achieve clearer, smoother skin without harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. Remember, consistency is key. Just like training for a marathon, you need to stick with these routines to see the best results. And of course, maintain a good skincare regimen. Cleanse, exfoliate, and moisturize regularly to keep those blackheads at bay. So next time you spot a blackhead trying to crash your skin party, you know exactly how to handle it. Give these natural remedies a try and let us know how they work for you. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share it with your friends. Have any quirky blackhead remedies of your own? Drop them in the comments. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep exploring wonderful health tips with us. Bye for now.